Welcome to Proper Menubar, the ultimate tool to enhance your web browser experience. In this video, I will show you how to quickly show or hide the menu bar using the pop-up panel. Let us get started. First, locate the Proper Menubar icon in your browser's extensions bar. It looks like a black rectangle with a white plus inside. Click on it to open the pop-up panel. Once the pop-up panel is open, you will see a button to show or hide the bar and a vertical list of the menu bar, along with a few buttons. One of these buttons allows you to open the options page to customize your menu bar experience. To display the menu bar, click the red button labeled Proper Menu Bar is off. The menu bar will instantly appear at the top of your browser, providing quick access to essential tools and functions. Need a cleaner browsing view? Click the toggle again to hide the menu bar. It's that simple, and that's how you show or hide the menu bar with Proper Menubar's pop-up panel. Quick, easy, and efficient. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to explore all the other features Proper Menubar has to offer. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.